Hello everyone. Um, First of all, an apology because I haven't done any videos the last couple of months, but I've been very busy work-wise and hobby-wise, but not as much painting as I would have hoped. But anyway, so the first thing is what you see before you. I've made myself two figure cabinets. I'm really pleased with them. I'm going to start making these properly, not properly, but I'm going to put them on my website because I'm actually a cabinet maker anyway. So for me to make these cupboards, it's easier than not. So, but I'm so pleased with them. I'm actually going to put them on my website and start trying to promote them and stuff. But let me give you a quick tour. So this is what I've been doing after work and sometimes at work when I should have been doing other things. And I've only just finished them completely and installed them. So there's two cabinets. I think there's 8 shelves in each, and I've put solid shelves, and I've got lighting on the back strip, on the back of the frame. So all loaded. Really pleased with them, and I think they really stand out in the old games room or man cave, whatever you want to call it. The only thing is, I've realised, God, I thought I'd made them massive. Well, I made them to fit the space. So, panelled up the side. But sadly, they don't seem to be quite big enough. Well, they are big enough, but my wife would argue that I've got far too many figures. But anyway, so that's what my main project has been for the last couple of months when I've got some free time. And yeah, so I'll actually put the link below to my company, and if anyone would like something similar, just send me an email and I can do something with you. Anyway, now what else I've been doing? I bought myself a 3D printer. Now I wasn't going to do it, but I'm so pleased I have. I've gone a bit mad on the printing front. Let me show you. So I've got a box here. Now this is all from a website called Thingiverse. So this is all, well, free to download, all these designs, and I've had a bit of a play with it, a bit of a mess around, because I think they're originally 15mm, and I've scaled them up to 28 for my World War II stuff. So I've done all of that. Then if we go around the table, sorry, I'm doing it's a bit of work in progress, some cupboards for somebody else. So got lots of stuff that I've been printing. This is for my American Civil War fields, cornfields, some trucks, more trucks, some epic stuff and some spare, which I'll get onto in a minute. A load of like barrels and market stall stuff. There's the first tank that I've done, and I've sort of like started a bit of green stuff and Das clay. I've started making sandbags to go on the front. So absolutely tons I've been printing off, and it's all really enjoyable actually. And for somebody who's not overly computer literate, I would say it's super easy. And actually, with the resin, the detail you get is insane. Now, what I did do, I bought a file, because you can buy these files from various designers. So I've been desperately looking for my desert game for some camels for some Bedouin, just for fighting. And I bought these files. See, more of it here. bought these files for the camels, and I think they were $5 US. I mean, look at this. This is insane. There's no lines in it because it's a resin. Beautiful stuff. Really, really nice. So yeah, I've got my camels there for the camel train. But one of my main things, the one I have been painting, is this. And I've got another one, exactly the same as this, but another Space Marine army. So this is, well, I'll tell you the story. When I was about 13, a friend of mine bought a game called Space Marine to school. I always wanted it, played it for ages with him, and my father always said no. Obviously they go for silly money nowadays, but then I printed this on my 3D printer. All of it is from Thingiverse, so designers have just done it. Now these aren't exact. Some things like that thing at the back is a sort of proxied model, but I really like it, and this has cost me about £4 in resin to do, and I've printed it all and painted it all up in my own colours, and I'm really, really chuffed with it. So that's one Space Marine army. Now, to be fair, I don't know whether that's a decent list or not. I've just gone for a fairly generic thing that I can add to. So there's bits of everything in there. So, and I've got an exactly same one that I'm going to paint in a different colour scheme, which is going to be turquoise and white, which I'm going to start over the weekend, and hopefully then I'll be able to just play that against that. And there's all sorts of files online for every major nation. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. So making cabinets and lots of 3D printing, and then hopefully once I've got some more of these Space Marines painted, I'm going to get back to my English Civil War painting figures. But anyway, so that's the main reason for the video, these cabinets that I've made for myself, and now I'm going to put on my website, on my Facebook page for my work. Put the link below if anyone's interested, and start promoting these, because I think all wargamers need somewhere special to put their figures, don't they? Anyway, hope everyone's okay, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.